再去看世界来看，即马 AI 长时行 ，AI 啥物工课拢会当处理。未来呢，含 AI 做同事嘛无稀奇，因为即马伫丹麦就有一间美律公司，伊请5个 AI 员工，即5个 AI 员工会晓分析市场，会当设计产品，而且会当提升工作效率。
We have Kondikai, who's a brand specialist. We have Athena, who's a market researcher. We have Prometheus, who has all our sales data. We have Müller, who is our beer sommelier and food pairing specialist. And we have Ella, who is our on-trade specialist.
总监介绍的5个新员工各有专门的所在，特别是因全自动营上班，而且无占空间，敢若需要电脑甲电源。原来因是 AI 虚拟员工，虽然本质依然是 AI 工具，毋过有名、有面容，也有电子邮件地址，也可每日换造型服装，再改变互真人同事，更较欢喜甲这 AI 进行互动甲合作，大大提高工作效率。
To create this hybrid workforce where technology and AI blend in with our real colleagues. So we looked at how our employees interacted with the AI tools, and we saw that they start giving them names. And when we put on a picture on the AI agent, the use and the engagement went up times4.
负责数据收集甲分析岳根森每自动甲 AI 同事安心娜密切共事，因透过 TM 即时通讯服务对话，安心娜协助伊归纳外部电邮的资料，查看数据分析结果甲市场概况。岳根森打算未来邀请安心娜到店参加会议，进行即时的工作回馈。
Before there was a lot of emails coming in, and we have to look up old reports and do a lot of working, connecting things and so on. We have definitely moved to more agility, more speed, and also we can work on the stuff that really makes a big deal.
真侪数据拢显示，甲 AI 合作因提高员工的生产力。根据提供 AI 解法的组织 NeoPlus 一项研究指出，第一个客服务甲整理小文件，也有定式开发，用生成式 AI 工具的员工，伫完成任务效率平均提高66%。不过 AI 毋是万能，处理工作细节时阵，依然爱谨慎，确保结果的准确性甲适用性。公司新闻郑淑芬编译。